You look like a G, bro. So awesome.
Perfect. See, look at that.
I feel my wings have broken in your head.
Hi, I'm Abby. I'm Molly. I'm Leslie. And today we're in the Florida Everglades talking about Kiara, our Burmese python. Burmese pythons are originally from Southeast Asia, but they're also known as invasive species in the Florida Everglades. Invasive species are non-native organisms that are brought to a new area. They dominate and disrupt the ecosystem.
The main way Burmese pythons became invasive in the U.S. was through an exotic pet trade. Many people wanted these guys as pets, but quickly learned they couldn't care for them. After learning that Burmese pythons can reach up to 23 feet in length and 200 pounds, people released them into the wild instead of donating them to a wildlife center or an animal shelter. Another thing that contributed to their overpopulation was a python breeding facility that was destroyed by a storm in Miami. This accident released countless snakes into nearby swamps. There are currently up to 300,000 Burmese pythons in the Everglades.
In Florida, Burmese pythons are responsible for many population declines for mammals in the Florida Everglades. Since the snakes are carnivorous, they have destroyed local food webs and even caused species of rabbits and foxes to go locally extinct. This is also due to the fact that they have no natural predators and are huge, much larger than any of Florida's native snakes. Smaller animals like wood storks can often be found in the belly of these giant snakes, but they can even eat larger things like alligators. One way they're controlling the population is by holding Burmese python hunts. These snakes can be easily camouflaged in their marsh-like territories, so it's hard to locate them. Because they're so hard to find, large rewards are offered to hunters who can catch them. Prizes can range between $750 to $10,000. They are measured by the length of the snake and also how many are caught. These contests are short-lived and last around 10 days. Come visit us this Saturday at the Petaluma Wildlife Museum from 11 to 3. Bye!